Everyone has seen a simple volcano model like this, but today I will show you how to make it even more realistic and exciting in under 2 minutes. You might have tried baking soda, ENO, or even firecracker to create a volcano effect, but let's be honest, it just don't feel real. Well, today I'm not using this. Instead, I will show you an intense reaction that looks just like a real volcano. This is what a real volcano looks like: intense, powerful, and full of fiery energy. Now let's recreate it with pure chemistry. For this experiment, we need just two simple chemicals: potassium permanganate and glycerin. But warning, this reacts strongly, so always be careful. Now, let's start setting up. First, I need to prepare the reaction by adding potassium permanganate into a boiling tube. This deep purple powder is an oxidizer, meaning it helps things burn even faster. In a moment, we will see how a powerful reaction this can be. Now, I am adding potassium permanganate inside the volcano crate. This set up a reaction, just like build-up of pressure inside a real volcano. Now comes a magic ingredient: glycerin. Watch closely, this reaction starts slow, but once it ignites, it is like a real volcano eruption. And here it goes. Look at the smoke and the heat, the fire. It's just like molten lava pouring out of real volcano. Let's see it from another angle. This is why chemistry is so awesome. Imagine doing this in a science fair or a school project. People will be shocked. If you love this experiment, smash the like button, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more intense chemistry experiments. Got a cool idea? Drop in the comment. I would love to try it next and see you in next video. Stay curious and stay creative.